Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Tesla Model S hood. First, locate the front release icon on your car's large touchscreen display. This icon typically looks like the front of your vehicle with the hood slightly ajar. Once you tap it, you'll hear the latch disengage. Then, simply lift the hood gently to access the front storage area, also known as the frunk. It's a straightforward process. Sometimes, if your touchscreen isn't responding, you'll need to use the manual release. Look in the front wheel arch liners for the release cables. Pull these cables firmly and steadily. You should hear the hood latches disengage. This manual method is a reliable backup, ensuring you can always access your frunk, even in unexpected situations. It's a good trick to know. What if your 12-volt battery is completely dead? Don't worry, there's an emergency access procedure. First, locate the tow eye cover on the front bumper and carefully remove it. Behind it, you'll find two terminals. Connect a 12-volt power source, like a jump starter, to these terminals. This will provide enough temporary power to electronically release the hood latch via the touchscreen. It's a clever design for critical moments. After opening, always make sure your Tesla Model S hood is securely latched before you start driving. A properly closed hood is crucial for safety and to prevent damage. For more detailed information and specific safety guidelines, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. And hey, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. They can really simplify your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.